here's a mobile app, Midjourney AI Art Generator. And let's just install it and see how it works. There is a popular website, Midjourney is one of the top AI generator apps, but they didn't have like a native mobile app, and I actually don't think this is their native Midjourney app. This is probably just someone using their API or something like that. But anyhow, if you like to use Midjourney in the app, not in the browser, definitely give a try to this app and unleash your creativity by creating art with artificial intelligence. Just type a text prompt, choose an awesome art style, and let Midjourney AI Art Generator to create unique artwork in just a few seconds. So yeah, you can use different styles. You can just download that. I don't know why it's not actually downloading for some reason. Okay, finally. So let's just wait a few seconds. And let's just open up the app. And then you can just have it here, and then you just need to create a prompt, explore AI arts, or you can just instantly get full access. There is $7.99 per week or $9.99 per week. And then you can just enter prompt. So what should AI draw? Add anything or your dreams. Let's just draw a castle, and then you can just select different prompts, styles, which is optional, but you can just select futuristic, gothic, comic, vintage, Van Gogh, digital art. All right, let's create digital art castle. And the prompt, it can be not just a word. Prompt can be really advanced if you're a beginner user. It's like you can define here, just imagine if you are speaking to a real person, real art person who wants to draw it, and you just describe like a castle on the hills with a Van Gogh style, with an impressionist touch, which should be similar to this picture, for example. And then you just type it here, and then AI will use it to generate a future image. The more details, the more input data are given to AI, the better. And then you can just tap generate, and then it might take up to a few minutes for you to receive an AI generated image. There is only one free generation left in this app. And then you can see this is how it looks like, and then you can just tap arrow in the top right, and then you will just be able to save it. And then there it is. If you want to unlock all limits and remove ads, create unlimited artwork, then there's like 1 week trial, so $9.99 per week, or yearly. You can upgrade year or 1 week. There is a free trial, and there you have it. So that's how you just generate this artwork. There are different templates. You can see your arts generated being saved. And then lifetime access, as you can see, is for $70. But then can you generate AI avatars here in this app? Nope, it's only AI artwork. So that's what it is. So that's the app. It's called Midjourney AI Art Generator by AI Apps. So give it a try.